Hi guys, how are you? I don't wanna take a video or anything. I didn't wanna like take video or posting it in YouTube, but I found it very exciting and interesting that it is raining. It was raining actually in here, like getting a shower, and I wanted to share that with you. I'm gonna add the clip to this, and my friend is so angry because of the rain, and I'm going to go in the bus. I'm gonna take videos for you at the bus. Yeni yıkadım, hayır. Ben ayakkabımı temizledim. So guys, that is the thing for our mini vlog today. Tonight, actually, the weather is not good. I hope everything goes okay with you, and I and everyone love you, and stay safe and take care. And if you like this video, like it. Oh my god, the weather is funny actually. The weather is so funny.